How to delete suggested for you on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application here, and then basically it will lead you to your home page where you will see here, and then to actually delete suggested for you on Facebook is you have to go to your menu. So all you have to do is on the bottom part you will see six different options there. Just tap on menu and it will lead you here to your profile, to your menu rather. And then I want you to go to your settings and privacy and then just tap on settings. And then scroll down under permission section here and just tap on off Facebook activity. And here you'll see all your Facebook activity. And then under activity controls, you'll see clear history. Just tap on clear history and confirm to clear your history. Then after that, your activity has been cleared. And then it's now we're done in our first half of the step. Now the other half is I want you to go to your I want you to go to your audience and visibility and tap on how people find and contact you. Just tap on that and then focus on do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? As you can see, it's actually turned off. All you have to do is to just turn it off so that you won't be allowing search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. So basically that is how you actually delete suggested for you on Facebook. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application on your App Store or your Play Store. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.